power to pick your parents, children could be allowed to choose whether to live with their mother or father under new custody reforms. Children would have the power to tell judges who they want to live with under drastic new reforms being proposed in one Australian state. Queensland Family and Child Commissioner, QFCC, Cheryl Vardon has called for children to be given more say on which parents they live with, the Courier Mail reported. She believes judges should consult children in custody disputes to ensure their voices and opinions are heard. "We need a better way of listening to the voices and opinions of children," she told the publication. "With safeguards, we certainly believe children should be heard in court proceedings. It's all very well to aim for shared care, but that's simply not appropriate if that means the child is going to be damaged further." The news comes amid a federal government review into the family law system. The inquiry highlights protecting the needs of the children of separating families in its terms of reference. In its submission to the review, the QFCC said the primary consideration for determining what is in the child's best interests should be the need to protect the child from harm. The legislation should be drafted in such a way to make this explicitly clear, the Commission's submission states. While there is a benefit to the child having a meaningful relationship with both parents, this should not be placed above a child's protection. Parents were divided on the reforms on social media on Thursday. One parent said he was concerned the child would pick the parent who spoils them. Another person said, "Children don't have the experience to make good judgment and decisions." A more supportive parent described the concept fair. "The kid's wishes should be considered," she said. The Queensland Family and Child Commission, in a statement provided to Daily Mail Australia, said it is important for children to be meaningfully engaged. The QFCC believes it is important for children to be given the opportunity to meaningfully engage throughout proceedings, in ways that are trauma-informed, culturally safe and age-appropriate, the Commission stated. The opportunity to be heard would of course need to be considered along with other expert inputs to inform a decision. The QFCC does not suggest that engaging with a child would lead to, or suggest picking a parent as an outcome, rather providing a more inclusive engagement process where children can express their views and have their voices heard.